Weak, dead, collapsing hives and apiary theft are the most common problems you may face if you are a beekeeper. The lack of innovative tools accessible to the beekeeping industry is holding back its potential. That's where Bees comes in. Bees system collects the operational data from the field, telemetry data from sensors, as well as environmental parameters. This can be done manually or in a fully automatic way. Using LoRa, the bee-friendly low-radiation communication, the data is transferred for further processing. Combining different data sources and using advanced data processing, you will be able to better manage your apiaries, with bees assisting you to organize your inventory, track your colony's health, plan, execute, and document your beehive's production. Be one step ahead of any maintenance need. The beekeeper will always be on top of the situation by being able to remotely access his beekeeping data and getting notified timely about any issue. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your bees now with Bees.